Okay, Modbus PLC demo, take one. This is my ladder logic program. So what I have in the first rung, and this will run every time through the ladder, is we're going to put the constant 2 into the accumulator, and that's actually the FL command. We're going to write that to a vMemory location. Then we're going to put 32 in the accumulator. That's ACCEL and DCEL. So we'll write that to V1300 and V1301. Later on, we'll write all these contiguous memory locations over the Modbus into the drive, and that'll set up all the move parameters. 64 hex is our velocity, and that goes into 1302. 0 is the upper word of the move distance. That'll go into 1303. The lower word is 20,000. That's 4E20 hex. That goes into the last register of the block transfer for the move parameters. Now over here, this rung is only going to execute when the push button switch connected to input X1 is pressed, and also when the Modbus channel is not already in use. And we'll load F201 into the accumulator. 01 is the drive address. F2 just means use the Modbus protocol. We want to transfer 2 bytes from memory location 1200, that's where we put the FL command, into 174. That's really 40125, but the Automation Direct PLC uses some kind of convoluted math on this registry addressing, but it works. Okay, next, when I press the button connected to input X2, and again when the Modbus channel is not already busy, we will do a block transfer, and again we're doing Modbus to slave address 1. A hex means we want to transfer 10 bytes starting at 1300 and going to address 33, which is really 40028, and that's going to transfer all the move parameters to the drive. And then I've just got a couple other things of interest here. SB117 is an internal register that tells me if I have a Modbus error. That will turn on the LED Y2, and that's useful for diagnostics. I've run into a few problems today that had to be solved, and without that LED I would not have known where the problem is. So I've already transferred this into the PLC, and I'm going to set it for run mode here. Okay, PLC is now running. Here it is. It's connected to my STM24, which I am now going to power up. STM24 is up. So here is the switch X2, so that will transfer the move parameters. You'll see some LEDs change when that happens. No Modbus error, that's a good thing. And here is the X1 push button, and we should see some motion when I press that. Yeah, baby. Modbus 101.